Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make mix emoji in Google Keyboard. We will dive into the exciting world of Emoji Kitchen, a fantastic Gboard feature that lets you combine two standard emojis into one unique, expressive sticker. This guide will help you unlock new levels of digital communication, allowing you to craft personalized reactions and messages. Get ready to transform your everyday chats with a touch of creativity and fun. First, ensure Gboard is your default keyboard. Navigate to your device's language and input settings, then select Gboard. Once active, open any messaging application, like Messages or WhatsApp, to bring up the keyboard. The Emoji Kitchen feature is usually enabled by default, but a quick check in Gboard settings can confirm its readiness for mixing. This foundational step ensures you are all set to begin creating. Now for the fun part, creating your first mix. Tap the emoji icon on your Gboard to open the emoji panel. Select your first emoji. This will be your base. Immediately, Gboard will suggest various combinations based on your initial choice. Then, pick a second emoji. You will see a range of unique mixed emoji stickers appear above your keyboard, ready for selection. It's an intuitive process, offering many possibilities. Once you see a mixed emoji you like, simply tap it to insert it directly into your conversation as a sticker. The possibilities are nearly endless, with hundreds of combinations waiting to be discovered. Don't hesitate to experiment with various emoji pairs. You might be surprised by the creative and often humorous results. Share these unique creations with your friends and elevate your digital expressions to a whole new level.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.